Hi, and welcome to this little short tutorial I want to give you on how to multiply thumbnails for YouTube videos. It is very quick and very easy. The first thing you want to do is have your thumbnail ready and make sure that the text layer of the number you want to change is separated. And second of all, you wanna have one of these. This is a basic text document which lists like the type of dataset you have. In this case I named it episode, and after that there comes the dataset. What we want to do now is we go to images, image, to variables and define, and here we have this window now. Here we can now define, we want this layer, which is the 1, to be changed. And we want to variable the text itself. And so we put there a check mark inside. This name will have to mirror the name we have for our dataset, which is episode. And we will put this in here. We go to Dataset, and we can see here that we currently do not have a dataset selected. So what we have to do is we have to go to Import. We have to select, and I have this document, and we hit OK. Now that we have done this, as you can see here, we have all the dataset file names. We can just hit OK. We go to Export. Datasets as a file. And we hit that. We get this nifty little window. Here we can select the folder we want to have, and I'm gonna create a new folder for that. And here we can have we can select all datasets or just a number of them. Here we can change how we want to name them, and here we export it as PSDs. And we can't do that. We can't put it into JPEGs or PNGs right now. We have to export it as PSD. So we hit OK. It will take a hot minute because it's 161 files. After all that shit is over, if we go into our files, we will see that we have a whole shebang of 161 files, PSD files. And now to export them as PNGs or JPEGs preferably, because this is YouTube and we need small file sizes. We go to Scripts, Image Processor, and here we have the whole thing where we can be like, we choose the images we want. Out of this folder, they need to be processed into this folder, which we call final, and we want them here either as JPEG, PSD, or as TIFF. And now we just have to hit execute. And now what it will do, it will load each one of them separately and export them. This will take a long while. It is slowly filling up the JPEGs. And I hope this was very informative for you. I hope you learned something from that, and I will see you next time. And that's it. Have a nice one.